Good morning, students. Now I will show some slides to you related to this one. Strategies for enhancement of food production only we are learning. Strategies for enhancement of food production. Animal husbandry, the animals which are using for getting products from that is included in animal husbandry. It is the scientific agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock. It is the scientific agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock. Breeding and raising livestock. It deals with the care and breeding of livestock. It deals with the care and breeding of livestock. Like buffaloes, cows, pigs, horses, cattle, sheep, camels, goats, etc. Goats, etc. Poultry farming and fisheries also coming under animal husbandry. These two are explained and given here. So animal husbandry, it is the scientific agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock. It deals with the care and breeding of livestock, buffaloes, cows, pigs, horses, cattle, sheep, camels, goats, etc. Poultry farming and fisheries also included this. Animal husbandry, 70% of the world livestock population is in India and China. 70% of the world livestock population means this cattle, livestock population is in India and China. But the contribution to the world farm product is only 25%. Means number of organisms are very more, 70%, but their production is only contribute 25%. The productivity is very low. What is important? The productivity. Number of organisms are much, but their productivity is very low. Hence, new technologies should be applied to achieve improvement in quality and productivity. Improvement in quality and productivity. Animal husbandry, dairy farm management or dairy, management of farms and farm products. It is the management of animals for increasing yield and quality of milk, and its products. It is the management of animals for increasing yield and quality of milk and its products. The milk yield depends on the quality of breeds in the farm. Milk yield depends on the quality of breeds in the farm. It is important to select good breeds having high yielding potential and resistance to diseases. It is important to select good breeds having high yielding potential and resistance to diseases. So dairy farm management is the management of animals for increasing yield and quality of milk. It is the management of animals for increasing yield and quality of milk and its products. Milk yield depends on the quality of breeds in the farm. Milk yield depends on the quality of breeds in the farm. Quality of the breeds. It is important to select good breeds having high yielding potential and resistance to disease. Select good breeds having high yielding potential and resistance to disease. This way for the yield potential, look after the cattle, that is housing well, give adequate water, and maintain disease-free feeding of cattle in scientific manner, emphasize on the quality and quantity of fodder, feeding of cattle in scientific manner, emphasis on the quality and quantity of fodder, stringent cleanliness and hygiene of cattle, and handlers while milking, storage and transport of the milk, and its products, stringent cleanliness and hygiene of cattle, handlers while milking, storage and transport of the milk and its products. stringent cleanliness and hygiene of cattle handlers while milking, storage and transport of the milk and its products. See the diagrams. Milk cow machines are used for milking the cow. Now, how to ensure these stringent measures? Regular visits by a veterinary doctor. Regular visits by a veterinary doctor. Regular inspections to identify and rectify the problem. Regularly, the inspections do to identify and rectify any problem is there. Then, regular visits by a veterinary doctor. Now, next one is poultry farm management. Poultry is the domesticated birds used for food or eggs. Poultry is the domesticated birds used for food or eggs. Poultry is the domesticated birds used for food or eggs. Example, chicken, ducks, turkey, geese. Poultry is the domesticated birds used for food or egg. Example, chicken, duck, turkey and geese. Chicken, see that. Chicken, ducks, turkey, goose. So, animal husbandry, management of farms and farm animals, components of poultry farm management, components of poultry farm management, selection of disease-free and suitable breeds, selection of disease-free and suitable breeds, proper and same farm conditions, proper and safe farm conditions, proper and safe farm conditions, proper feed and water, hygiene and health care, selection of disease-free and suitable breeds, proper and same farm conditions, proper feed and water, hygiene and health care, components of poultry farm management, selection of disease-free and suitable breeds, proper and same farm condition, proper feed and water, hygiene and health care. Improved breed of chickens should be used, then more nutritious egg and availability yield of egg and the size of the egg, content of protein and all the nutrients will be improved. So improved breed of chickens are Leghorn. Different type of improved breed of chickens only shown here. Now, a breed is animal breed. A breed is a group of organisms related by descent and similar general appearance, features, size, etc. Leghorn, Jersey. Types of breeding, inbreeding and outbreeding. Breeding is the modification of genotype of an organism, genetic constitution of an organism to make that organism more useful to humans. Breeding is the modification of genotype of an organism to make that organisms more useful to humans. Organisms more useful to humans. Example, Jersey, improved cattle breeder, Leghorn, improved chicken breeder. Jersey, improved cattle breeder, Leghorn, improved chicken breeder. Aim of animal breeding, to increase and improve the yield and desirable qualities of animals. To increase and improve the yield and desirable qualities of animals. So one time read and see that. Now I am not saying, not hearing like that, don't say complaint. You read. Product. This portion is very important. While I taught the theory, that also I told, it is the mating of more closely related individuals. More closely related individuals within the same breed. There will be no common ancestors for 4 to 6 generations. It is the mating of more closely related individuals within the same breed only. Inbreeding means same breed. But there is no common ancestors for 4 to 6 generations. So breeding strategy, identify and make superior males and females. Superior males and females of same breed. Identify and make superior males and females of same breed. Evaluate the progeny obtained. Afterwards, progeny means offsprings are obtained. Then evaluate that it is good or bad. Evaluate the progeny obtained and identify superior males and females. Superior males and females among them for further mating. Evaluate the progeny obtained and identify the superior males and females for among them for further mating. In cattle, a superior female cow or buffalo produce more milk. Superior male, female, how you will be understood from the cattle. Which one produces more milk per lactation? More milk per lactation. Lactation already I told that the period giving milk. After one delivery, how much period it gives milk is called the lactation period. A superior male, how it will be identified? We will give rise to superior progeny. So one day breed, then breed. It is the depression of fertility, inbreeding depression. It is a very good topic. Many times asked in exam also, important also. So it is the depression of fertility and productivity due to continued inbreeding. It is the depression of fertility and productivity due to continued inbreeding, especially close inbreeding. It is the depression of fertility and productivity due to continued inbreeding. Due to continued inbreeding, especially close inbreeding is there. Depression of fertility. Fertility is depressing, decreasing, and productivity also decreasing due to continued inbreeding, especially close inbreeding. How to solve this problem? Mate selected animals. Mate means reproduce only selected animal with the unrelated superior animals of the same breed. Unrelated superior animals of the same breed. Read once. Animal breeding in that second topic is outbreeding. It is the breeding of the unrelated animals. It is the breeding of the unrelated animals. Types of outbreeding: outcrossing, outbreeding, crossbreeding. Types of outbreeding are outcrossing, crossbreeding, interspecific hybridization. Three types of outbreeding are there: outcrossing, crossbreeding, and interspecific hybridization. Outcrossing means the same breed only. Instead the same breed, but the common ancestor should not be there for 4 to 5 generations. Crossbreeding means from two different breed. And interspecific hybridization means from two different species. Two different species. Breed. Unrelated animals. So that is important only. Unrelated animals. show. I will send it to you also. Okay. Now we are learning the strategies for enhancement in food production. Strategies for enhancement in food production. Organisms. Very easy lesson. But you have to buy heart. One time read this one. This one. It is the scientific agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock. It deals with the care and breeding of livestock, poultry farming, fisheries. Read once. Good. This one. Well done. Veterinary doctor supervising, inspecting the animals to find out any disease is there. This is the owners are inspecting. After first thorough inspection and regular inspection should be there. From that it is identifying that any disease is there or not. Afterwards, veterinary doctors are calling any problems are there. That is also regular visit should be there. Regular visit. Domesticated birds used for food or extra. Example, chicken, ducks, turkey, geese, etc. Chicken, ducks. Domesticated birds used for food or egg. Ducks, chicken, turkey, goose also. So, poultry management, selection of disease-free and suitable breeds, proper and safe farm conditions, proper feed and water, hygiene and health care. Hygiene and health care. These lessons are all you have to by heart. Easy also, but you have to by heart the answer. One time read and say that. Selection of disease-free and suitable breeds, proper and safe farm conditions, proper feed and water, hygiene and health care. This is poultry farm management, improved breed of chickens. Improved breed of chickens are using generally improved nutritious egg, flesh and all with it. So good quality using breed using, then only we will be getting good quality of food product. So this portion onwards, so maybe you are not familiar with, but this is very important portion only. So you have to learn. One time read this one. Aim of animal breeding, what is breed and all. Within the same breed, no common ancestor for 4 to 6 generations. So see that how it is selecting the good quality. Superior female produces more milk per lactation. Superior male gives rise to superior product. It increases homozygosity to evolve pure line variety. It increases homozygosity to evolve pure line variety. It exposes harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by selection. It helps in accumulation of superior genes and elimination of less desirable genes. It helps in accumulation of superior genes and elimination of less desirable genes. This increases the productivity of inbred population. It is the depression of fertility and productivity due to continued inbreeding, especially close inbreeding. How to solve this problem? Mate selected animals with unrelated superior animals of the same breed. See the example of inbreeding depression is a very good important topic in biology because the inbreeding depression causes much better qualities, stops much better qualities. So this is heterozygous and homozygous. So inbreeding takes place. 3 offsprings are formed with the one is homozygous, these 2 are heterozygous. Then outbreeding. These are inbreeding only, same quality, dominant allele and the recessive allele. This is heterozygous and homozygous. See that one. Yeah. So inbreeding is taking place and what is happening? See that. Recessive quality came outside. Both of them become recessive. Homozygous, recessive. Like that, recessive quality will be start to express if inbreeding continues for many times. This inbreeding. But when outbreeding took place, see that dominant allele only came. Dominant. Understood these 2 differences. When inbreeding was there, inbreeding means same. This is take place among the offspring of the same 2 parent only. Offspring of the this offspring of the same 2 parent. So recessive characters came outside. The recessive characters came outside. And here outbreeding took place. This animal is from another breed only. Outbreeding only. Another. No common ancestors are not there. That is outbreeding means the common ancestors are not there. Same breed only. Sorry. Same breed but common ancestor. Here in these 2, who is the common ancestors? These 2 are the common ancestors only. So inbreeding. This is outbreeding because these 2 animals are not having common ancestors. Example of inbreeding depression. Harmful recessive genes are expressed. This is harmful only. Recessive, all the characters remain recessive only. Understood? Three outbreeding are there. Outcrossing, types of outbreeding, crossbreeding, interspecific, hybridization. So understood. That much portion only we had learned now. Strategies for enhancement in food production. Inbreeding, depression and all we had. Crossbreeding. Now we are going to controlled breeding experiment only. We are continuing with the controlled breeding experiments. Controlled breeding experiments are carried out using artificial insemination. Controlled breeding experiments are carried out using artificial insemination. Artificial insemination. The semen is collected from the male that is chosen as a parent. The semen is collected from the male that is chosen as a parent and injected into the reproductive tract of the selected female by the breeder. Artificial insemination, not natural. So controlled breeding experiment, we are controlling the reproduction, or that is controlled breeding experiments are carried out by using artificial insemination. The semen is collected from the male that is chosen as a parent and injected into the reproductive tract of the selected female by the breeder. The semen may be used immediately or can be frozen and used at a later date. The semen may be used immediately or can be frozen. Frozen also, freezed also, taken and kept to freeze, then we can use it. The semen may be used immediately or can be frozen and used at a later date. It can also be transported in a frozen form to where the female is housed. The transportation also possible. It means nothing is happened to the semen, we are freezing and keeping. It can be transported from one place to another also. In this way, desirable matings are carried out. In this way, desirable matings are carried out. Artificial insemination helps us overcome several problems of normal mating. Normal mating means we are not selecting the parent. If artificial insemination doing, we can take a semen from male parent which is having desirable characters, and we can select the female parent and injecting this semen into the reproductive tract of that desirable quality female parent. Understood? So we can apply in desirable means good quality the parent. Good quality the parent. No doubt that the good offsprings are forming. Natural means they are selected male or female only. They are not selecting desirable quality. Often, the successive rate of crossing mature male and female animal is fairly low. Often, the success rate of crossing mature male and female animal is fairly low. Often, the success rate of crossing mature male and female animal is fairly low, even though artificial insemination is carried out. Often, the success rate of crossing mature male and female animal is fairly low, even though artificial insemination is carried out. To improve chances of successful production of hybrids, other means are also used. Multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology, MOET, multiple ovulation embryo technology, MOET. Multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology, MOVET, is one such program for herd improvement. Herd means group of cattle improvement. In this method, a cow is administered hormones, injecting hormones into the cow. A cow is administered hormones with FSH, follicle stimulating hormone like activity to induce follicular maturation and superovulation. Follicle means ovum will be formed fast. Follicular maturation. Follicle will be mature fast means ovum will be released and superovulation will be takes place. Which hormone is administered? FSH, follicle stimulating hormones. As a result, the follicle will be get stimulated and superovulation will be takes place. Instead of one egg which they normally yield per cycle, they produce 6 to 8 eggs only. They produce 6 to 8 eggs. So, the animal is either mated with an elite bull or artificially inseminated. The animal is either mated with an elite bull. Elite bull means sexually urged bull, or artificially insemination already. Semen is taking from some good quality male and injecting into the reproductive tract of the female. That is artificial insemination. Natural means mating with an elite bull means good quality bull, desirable quality bull. The fertilized egg at 80 to 32 cell stages, the fertilized egg at 80 to 32 cell stages are recovered non-surgically and transferred to surrogate mothers. The fertilized egg, fertilization will be takes place, and egg at 80 to 32 cell stages are recovered. Non-surgically means by through the syringe it is removing from the reproductive part only. Not surgery is not doing. The fertilized that 80 to 32 cell stages are recovered non-surgically, means surgery is not doing, by using forceps. It is removing from the reproductive tract of the female and introducing into another mother only, surrogate mothers. Are you heard about surrogate mothers? Ovum is transferring, fertilized egg is transferring to another mother's uterus is called the surrogate mother. The genetic mother is available. Genetic mother means from which mother, which female organism ovum is produced, that is the genetic mother. Genetic mother means it is genetic mother is available for another round of superovulation. This technology has been demonstrated for cattle, sheep, rabbits, buffaloes, mares, high milk yielding breeds of females, and high quality meat yielding bulls have been bred successfully to increase head size in the short time. Demonstrated for cattle, sheep, rabbits, buffaloes, mares, etc. High milk yielding breeds of females. High quality, that is lean meat with less lipid only. Lean meat means lipid content is very less. So cholesterol and heart disease which are having, they can also be eat that meat. Meat yielding bulls have been bred successfully to increase head size in the short time. Understood? So next time we will